Hello student. Today in this session we are going to solve the problems of exercise 1.1 chapter number 1 integers for class 7th. As in the earlier classes we have done the integers and their properties. Now in this we are solving the exercise of this chapter 1. So first question is asking, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. First, A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So here the temperatures are given on the number line and particular name of the city is also shown here for the particular temperature. We have to write the temperature of these given cities according to the given number line, as we know that all these are integers. -5, -10 up to these left hand sides of the 0 are negative integers, and 0, 5, 10 numbers in right hand side of the 0 are known as positive integers. So according to positive and negative integers we have to write the temperature of different cities. So by observing this number line we find that the temperature of the particular city first is given Lahaul Spiti. So Lahaul Spiti that shown on the number line at this place. So after how we have to find out the value or temperature value for this, as here it is given -5. So when the left hand side of the number line to the negative direction we follow, we get -5 here. So next is -6, this is -7, and this is the temperature for this Lahaul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. Similarly, next city is Srinagar. So we have to find the temperature of this Srinagar. Here, as this Srinagar shown on the number line left side of the 0. So after 0 we have to count it out, 1 and 2. That means we can say temperature of this Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now next city is shown Shimla. So this Shimla is on the right of the 0 on the number line, that is positive value. That means we can say here that Shimla is the positive temperature, whereas Srinagar and Lahaul Spiti are the negative temperatures. So Shimla is shown here at 5. So it's very simple to write the temperature for Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now let's count the temperature of Ooty, as Ooty is shown here, and after 10 it is given. So from 10 we have to count it out. The next consecutive numbers are 10. After 10 this one is 11, 12, 13, and this is 14. So we can say the temperature of the Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius, that is a positive temperature. Next temperature for the Bengaluru. Now here can you guess what will be the temperature for the Bengaluru? After 20 is there, so you can count 20, this one is 21, and next is 22. So what is the value? 22 degrees Celsius. So in this way we have to count the temperature on the number line according to the negative and positive integers. Now next question is also there for the same problem. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? As here we observe on the number line Lahaul Spiti, that is -8, Srinagar -2, Shimla is 5, Ooty is 14, and Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. So here which is the number greater and lowest? So here we can write here on the number line for the remembering that how we can write Lahaul Spiti, that is the temperature of -8, Srinagar that is -2, this is shown Shimla 5, Ooty is 14 degree and this Bengaluru is 22. Okay, so this Bengaluru, after observing this, highest number on the number line in the positive direction is 22. So we can say this Bengaluru is highest temperature. Now as it is in the positive direction, that is this positive number is greatest among all the temperatures. So we can write here. Now how? We observe that 14 and 5 and then -2 and then goes in the left direction, that means in the negative direction. On the number line we get -8 for the Lahaul Spiti. Now this number -8 as in the negative direction, that means as we are going to the left side of the 0, the number becomes decreasing in the left direction from the 0. So -8 and -2 both are the smaller number, but between these two, the most smaller -8 and -2, the smallest number is -8, as this shows on the number line in the negative direction, and this is more far away from the 0 compared to -2, as -2 is nearest to the 0, but here this -8 is far away than this 0. So we can say -8 is the coldest city, that means very less temperature, and the highest temperature, that is hottest temperature, is 22. So we get here the coldest and hottest temperature for the cities. Now what we have to find it out? The difference. So the difference, how we have to write? Difference, that is hottest city minus coldest city. So 22 degrees Celsius minus the temperature which we have to subtract is -8 degrees Celsius. As we know that in integers, when the two negative signs are there, these two minus signs becomes positive. So it will become 22 plus 8 degrees Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. So we can say that the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. Now in the same third problem, asking for the same temperature number line, what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Now here observe the temperature for the Lahaul Spiti, as we have find it out earlier, it is -8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So what we have to find? Temperature difference between these two. So -2 and -8. Now as we discussed in previous slide, that the number which is more far away to the 0 in the negative direction, that is the smaller number. So here -2 and -8, between these two, -2 is greater number and -8 is smallest number. So the temperature difference between these two, we have to find it out. Lahaul Spiti is -8 and Srinagar is of -2 degrees Celsius, is -2 is greater number. So from -2 we have to subtract -8. So -2 minus of -8 degrees Celsius is -2, and these two minus signs are here, becomes positive. So -2 plus 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6, as difference is 6 and the greater number here is 8, which has the positive sign. So answer has positive sign. So we get the temperature difference between the Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degrees Celsius. In the same way, problem number D is also asking that can we say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. These two problems, these two answers we have to find out. So first, what we have to find? Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Both has to add, and this is less than the temperature at Shimla. We have to compare this. So first of all, count the temperature on the number line for Srinagar. As we have done earlier, it is -2, and the temperature for Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to find out, both temperature we have to take together, that means we have to perform the addition. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. When we take both the temperatures together, that means we have to find out the addition of these two. So -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius becomes 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, as 5 is greater number and it is positive sign. So answer has 3 degrees Celsius, which is a positive number or positive integer. So 3 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Now we have to consider it. It is less than the temperature at Shimla. So now calculate it. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius and the temperature of both the cities together is 3 degrees Celsius. What we can say, 5 degrees Celsius is greater than 3 degrees Celsius. So here we get that temperature of Shimla is greater than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So answer, can we say? So no, we cannot say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. That means the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. That means both two cities taken together, that temperature is also smaller than the one of the city. Now one more, it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. So compare between the Srinagar also, 3 degrees Celsius, that is the temperature of together two cities, Srinagar and Shimla. Now temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So we have to compare between 3 degrees Celsius and -2 degrees Celsius. As we know that the negative numbers are less than the positive number. So 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2. So here we can say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, when it is taken together, is not less than the temperature of Srinagar.